I'm Mr. Nicholas.
So, what's your name?
My name is Rita. My name is Chase.
And today we're going to build ourselves one of these.
Yeah, it's going to be very excited. So, guys, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Great. So, let's get started.
Okay, let's do
Okay,
it.
the race.
Did you enjoy building your own big head?
I feel yes.
Yeah, that was great fun, wasn't it, Chase?
Right, it was lots of fun.
I enjoyed it, and I hope you all enjoy it at home.
Great. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm so excited for it, and if you're excited for it at home, you can look up the instructions here on the QR code at the back of this manual.
Oh, sounds good. And for more information, you can also go to our school website, the Facebook, and also Instagram. So I think it will be a great activity to do it at home with parents. Do you agree?
Yeah.